Alright, so I'm gonna try making my very first terrarium today. I just have a pickle jar, best pickles around. I'm probably gonna come up with something for the lid later to try to cover it up with something, maybe some burlap. What I've already done, which isn't much, is I took some of this screen, which this particular screen is some like extra sun blocking, extra thick fiberglass, whatever screen. I just have it left over from rescreening a window, so I put the jar on, circled around, made sure to leave a little extra gap because we want it to kind of flare up around the sides. Everything that I have was sourced locally. I have some gravel that I just rinsed off. I got from a dirt road by me. And then I have a little mess of trays of just sample stuff. Alright, so I'm going to start off by putting, this gravel's a little bit bigger than what I was hoping for. Maybe I can sift through some of it, get some of the smaller stuff. Kind of wants to curl up this way, so I'm going to stick it in that way. And I got me a container of just some dirt. I just realized I forgot the charcoal. I guess we're just gonna run it and see. This is distilled water.